Once you've finished entering your income, move to your expenses. Work methodically through your expenses line by line. You can enter amounts at a category level, but best practice is to drill down to the extended code level for more accurate and detailed planning. Let's look at some farm-focused tools to make creating your budget quicker and easier. Under farm expenditure wages, the herd manager earns $120,000 per year. You could simply enter $10,000 per month into each cell, or enter $10,000 in the first cell and use copy. Copy is repeat. The copy tool lets you repeat an amount. In this example, select every month for the rest of the year. To clear a line of data, select Clear. Alternatively, enter $120,000 in the first cell and select Spread. Spread is divide. It evenly distributes the amount over, say, 12 months. Perfect for regular costs. You might also plan to employ a part-time worker over summer, say from December to February. You can use the worksheet to record this in more detail. Click plus add, then enter 20 hours per week at $35 per hour. You can also add a short note or description if needed. Change any figure, increase hours, and a new total automatically calculates. Then copy or spread from the worksheet list view. The benefit of a worksheet is that your assumptions are clearly recorded and easy to update. Worksheets are especially useful in your first few years when you're still fine-tuning your plan and need to document assumptions. It's a great way of recording and communicating key information, especially for large ticket items. Continue to work through your budget until all details are entered. Once your budget is finalised, select Set as Baseline Plan. That locks in your budget to benchmark against as the year progresses and the budget is updated. The baseline budget can be found in your landing page.